In the heart of the enchanted forest, a wise old owl sets out on a mission, his keen eyes searching for clues in the darkness. Shadows flit among the trees as tiny hands grab shimmering treasures, leaving a trail of confusion and distress in their wake. With a solemn determination in his eyes, the wise owl ponders the next move, a plan forming in his mind to confront the thieves. A tiny figure emerges from the flowers, her wings aglow with magic, ready to join forces with the wise owl in his quest for justice. A rugged figure emerges from the shadows, his presence commanding respect as he offers his strength to the mission, his eyes holding a hint of hidden kindness. The wise owl's wings move deftly, setting a trap that gleams in the moonlight, tempting the thieving goblins to their downfall. Laughter rings through the forest as the mischievous thieves outsmart their captors, their eyes sparking with defiance and cunning. Chaos erupts as the goblins rally, their stolen treasures fueling their power, a menacing force that threatens to overwhelm the defenders. Three disparate figures, once strangers, now allies in a desperate stand against darkness, their bond a beacon of hope in the encroaching shadow. Spells clash, weapons clash, and hearts beat with fierce resolve as the fate of the forest hangs in the balance, a symphony of bravery and unity. Cheers echo through the trees as the defeated goblins are led away, their reign of theft and chaos ended, the enchanted forest sighing in relief. Joyful laughter rings out as the forest folk rejoice, united in their gratitude for the brave trio who brought light back to their home, their friendship a beacon in the dark.